Detecting antifreeze leaks. Uncover the signs.
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing a very important topic, the common symptoms of a leaking antifreeze system in your car. Antifreeze, also known as engine coolant, is crucial for your vehicle's proper functioning. Recognizing the symptoms of a leak early can save you from costly repairs.
What is antifreeze and why does it matter?
Antifreeze is a liquid that circulates through your car's engine to keep it operating within the correct temperature range. It helps to prevent your engine from overheating in hot weather and freezing in cold weather. A leak in your antifreeze system means the engine could be at risk of extreme temperatures, leading to serious damage.
How to spot an antifreeze leak.
Identifying an antifreeze leak early is vital. Here are the most common symptoms. 1. Bright green, pink or yellow fluid under your vehicle. Antifreeze comes in various colors, but it's often bright green, pink, or yellow. A puddle of this liquid under your car is a clear sign of an antifreeze leak. 2. Sweet smell. Antifreeze has a distinctive sweet smell. If you notice this smell when your car is running or just after you've driven, you might have a leak. 3. Overheating engine. As antifreeze helps to keep your engine cool, a decrease in its levels due to a leak might cause your engine to overheat. 4. Low coolant level. If you're constantly needing to top off your coolant, there's a good chance you have a leak. 5. White smoke or steam from the exhaust. If you notice white smoke or steam that doesn't dissipate quickly from your exhaust, it could be a sign of antifreeze burning within the engine. 6. Frequent engine overheating. If your engine is overheating frequently, it could be due to low coolant levels, caused by an antifreeze leak.
What to do if you spot an antifreeze leak?
If you notice any of the symptoms above, it's important to act quickly. Your first step should be to confirm that you do have a leak. Check your coolant level and look under your vehicle for any bright-colored fluid. If you're still unsure, consider taking your vehicle to a professional mechanic for diagnosis. Next, if you're comfortable doing so, try to identify the source of the leak. It could be from the radiator, a coolant hose, the water pump, or a number of other places. Remember, if you're not comfortable doing this, it's always better to take your vehicle to a professional. Finally, once the source of the leak has been identified, it should be repaired as soon as possible to prevent further damage. Depending on the source and severity of the leak, this might be a simple fix, or it might require more substantial repairs. That's all for today's guide on the common symptoms of a leaking antifreeze system. By keeping an eye out for these signs and acting quickly if you spot them, you can save yourself from costly engine damage. Always remember that taking care of your vehicle means taking care of your safety on the road. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.